A flashing green light on a Kasa camera can be caused by several issues, including a lack of internet connection, server downtime, or outdated firmware. To resolve this problem, several steps can be taken. First, it's essential to check the server status, as routine maintenance may be underway, causing a disconnection. This can be done by visiting a specific website, such as tp-link.com, which may provide information on any service outages. Ensuring the camera is connected to the internet is also crucial. This can be verified by connecting other devices, like a mobile phone, to the same router and checking for a stable connection by browsing the internet. If the connection is unstable, restarting the router may resolve the issue. For cameras connected via an Ethernet cable, it's vital to inspect the cable for any damage or loose connections. Updating the camera's firmware is another potential solution, which can be done by accessing the camera's settings through its app, checking for available updates, and installing the latest firmware. By following these steps, the flashing green light on a Kasa camera can be diagnosed and potentially fixed.